Hey folks, elder law care attorney Patrick Kelleher coming to you from elderlawcare.com. Folks, today I'm going to answer the question, when can a second to die life insurance policy or survivorship life insurance policy come in super handy when it comes to estate planning and elder law? Folks, I'm going to give you 3 reasons right now, so pull up your chair, get your pen out, and your notepad. Folks, you may know me as elder law care attorney Patrick Kelleher, the author of How to Slay the Metaphorical Four-Headed Beast of Estate Planning and Elder Law. Pick up a copy on Amazon if you so desire. Today's question, when can life insurance come in super handy when it comes to estate planning and elder law? Number 1, folks, from my experience, the second-headed monster, the dreaded estate tax, okay? Federal estate tax, folks, right now, super high. In 2021, it was 11.7 million. Current administration in early 2022 is looking to scale that down and reduce the federal estate tax to maybe 6 million, 5.5 million. If you have an estate value greater than the federal estate tax threshold, folks, you better hope you have a large life insurance policy to cover those estate tax because they are due within 9 months from the date of passing. And if you do not file that estate tax return, and if you do not pay the estate tax within 9 months from the date of passing, then the taxing authority will assess penalties and interest to your estate and to the beneficiaries of your estate. That money will be coming out of their pocket indirectly, and the taxing authority will become an unintended beneficiary of your estate. More practical, folks, is the state estate tax. We're in the Commonwealth of Massachusetts, one of about 12 states in the country that still has a state estate tax. Massachusetts is only set at $1 million, like the state of Oregon, from my understanding. Very low thresholds. Does not take much to get over that estate tax threshold here in the Commonwealth. The value of your home, the value of your qualified retirement account, IRA, 401k, include life insurance, and they include that in there as well for the calculation of the gross estate, okay? A CPA told me once, hey Patrick, if your clients are $1 over the $1 million threshold here in Massachusetts, their estate will owe about $18,000 to the Massachusetts Department of Revenue, the Estate Tax Bureau. So when could life insurance come in handy to pay those estate tax? A practical standpoint from my experience, when I have clients who are more real estate house rich, they have 2 homes, and the homes are valued at, say, 1.5 million, 2 million, and they don't have a lot of cash assets. Well, when they pass away, there's an automatic lien placed on their estate. Their loved ones will owe the estate tax authority the estate tax within 9 months from the date of passing. Question, where are they going to get the money to pay for that if someone is house rich, cash not so rich? They have real estate worth 1.5 million, over the $1 million threshold. At 1.5 million, from my experience, they'll owe about 50 grand maybe, give or take. Someone's going to have to come up with liquid cash to pay the taxing authority. If they only have $5,000 in their bank account and no other cash assets, then where does the money come from? Now you have a very stressful family situation. So that life insurance policy that you have may come in super handy there for your representative, your trustee, your executor, your personal representative of your estate to have that liquid cash on hand when you pass away to satisfy and pay that tax obligation to the taxing authority. Another reason to have life insurance on hand, we talked about the federal estate tax, we talked about the state estate tax. We are now going to talk about funding, using that life insurance policy to fund a third-party special needs trust. If you have a family member who has intellectual disabilities, learning disabilities, or was born with some form of disability, and they're going to need assistance later in life, and they are receiving government benefits for their needs-based care, really important that you meet with your elder law attorney as soon as possible to create what I refer to as a third-party special needs trust. Why? Because a third-party special needs trust under current law does not require government payback to the government. And what is a good asset that you can fund into that third-party special needs trust? There we have it, your life insurance policy. Meet with your elder law attorney. You can name that third-party special needs trust or a portion of that life insurance proceeds to go into that third-party special needs trust. Specifically, the trustee that you choose, be it another family member, one of your other children perhaps, who is suitable and responsible, and that life insurance policy is payable to the trustee of your special need trust client or your special need trust child, payable to your special needs trust child's trustee of that special needs trust. Now, that's liquid proceeds that will enhance their quality of life in that third-party special needs trust where there is no requirement for government payback. Really, really important, folks, to have that liquid cash on hand to avoid all the potential turmoil and chaos later and the need to pay the taxing authority within 9 months from the date of passing, as also a great resource to enhance the quality of life for an individual who is considered special needs or supplemental needs person. Also, folks, life insurance is on hand to enhance quality of life of a surviving spouse as well, so they can resume a quality of life in the community in their lifetimes so they can pay their bills. They're not going to have to force sell properties to continue to live their lifestyle. Really, really important, folks. Life insurance in estate planning and elder law. Folks, if you found this video helpful, please scroll down, post a comment, post a question, because a member of our elder law care team is on standby and they will report back to you as soon as possible. If you'd like to get some more education, folks, go to elderlawcare.com. Watch our other elder law YouTube videos on our elder law channel. Subscribe if you like the information, and pick up a copy of the book on Amazon if you so desire. Folks, elder law care attorney Patrick Kelleher. We'll see you next time at elderlawcare.com.